pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter.
Hi, it's me, Germany, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm basically going to be sharing some sensitive topic and also how to get over insecurity while I'm showing you my foot care routine at the same time. And you're asking, like, that's a lot. Since I can remember, I always had an insecurity about my feet. They're tiny, just like my finger, chubby, and the tint of the toenails aren't the greatest. It's genetics, I'm gonna say that. It's nothing medical before that's a topic because it's not medical. Honestly, as I grew up, I realized I hated wearing sandals. I hated showing my toes. Honestly, because I didn't take care of them. I realized as soon as I started taking care of my toes, basically my feet, they basically became very appealing. Like, yeah, the color's the same, and yes, I got chubby toes and short toes, and they're actually really cute. But the thing is that I compare my feet to other girls' feet and be like, why my toes don't look like that? And basically, it's a life learned lesson, comparing yourself to people that's not you. Honestly, the only person you can compare yourself to is yourself. So how can I get over the insecurity? And basically, think about it. I learned it from a TikToker, and literally it said on one of her TikToks, it says, if you have an insecurity, how do you think those people without insecurity treat themselves? So I thought about it. I'm like, hey, I have a bad insecurity with my feet. So what do people with confidence in their feet do? They wear sandals. They get their toes done. They do pedicures. They take care of themselves. They literally don't have a shame in their game. They still take care of themselves. So I'm so over my insecurities at this point. So I actually started taking care of my feet at home. Sometimes I do have my moments where I forget, and it's because I'm so busy with the girls. And honestly, I need to start setting a schedule of every other week or 3 times, every 3 weeks I'm going to do this with my feet, just so I can keep up with my toes, because sometimes I just let them babies just run its course, and I'll be like, my feet hurt because my toenails are so, oh my god, that sounds so embarrassing. Sneakers would be literally it would be so uncomfortable because my big toe literally outgrew itself and I'm literally hurting. So my sneakers are like, yeah, girl, you need to clip them toenails. Like, them things are killing me. I'm like, yeah, killing me too. But no further ado, let's get into this video of me showing you guys what I do to keep my confidence in my feet. And basically, I do it. First thing first is that I bought for 20 bucks. And I usually do it in my hot tub, or what do you call it, a hot tub or a tub with jets or whatever. Okay, so the pedicure spa thing, it kind of mimics that. My tub kind of mimics that in a way. So I was like, cool, that'll be my thing. But then I realized it was really uncomfortable to be sitting at the edge. So I was like, it'll be nice if I could get those like foot spa that you can put on a floor and plug it in. I feel like I was concealed to one area, and I didn't like that. So I wanted somewhere that kind of made me feel like I was, at like a nail salon. And so I bought that, and then basically all you have to do is put the water inside. So I use like a big bowl and I just dump it in there. And I like to get warm water. I don't want cold water in my feet. That's just not relaxing to me. Then I have a caddy. So I have a caddy like this, and I keep all my stuff in there. Honestly, I keep all my nail stuff. So all my nail stuff from my manicure into my pedicure, I keep it in here. And I basically keep up with all my self-care stuff for my feet. I realized that if you keep everything in one caddy, it literally is easy to bring back and forth. Because then you don't have to be carrying so much things, and things be falling all over the place. So if you don't have a caddy, get yourself a caddy to take care of your feet, your nails, whatever. Just get yourself a caddy. Secondly, you can go in with like a really cute like fizzing salt, or like a salt that you can put inside your tub just to give it that more spa-y feel. And this is I got from Walmart. It was like $1 at Walmart, and it basically is a luxury bath fizzing salt. And it says, treat yourself to an ultimate spa like experience at home with honey and pear scent, fizzing bath salt. And it says the formula is designed to provide you to escape, blah, 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 blah. But basically just set the vibes and the tones. I know salt do a lot of things where it takes away from the toxin, like it extracts toxins and stuff like that. So that's another reason why I would say go with a salt to put in your bath. Let's talk about exfoliating your feet. So I honestly bought these in first. So it basically helps with the calluses and stuff like that. And that calluses is like dead skin. I got this because that's what they use at the nail salon. But it's very important to know what you're doing when you're doing that. You don't want to like cut yourself, injure your foot or your skin, because doing that, I think that's very uncomfortable, because then you're putting your feet into something warm and you already like hurt yourself or cut yourself, and it's kind of stingy in a way. So that's not what I would want. So I decided to go a natural route, and I basically got this pumice, this exfoliating bar from Lush, and it was only I want to say $6.75 or something like that. Very affordable, and it smells so good. Other products in their store is natural and is made from natural ingredients. I really like to exfoliate my skin in a calmer nature, if that makes sense. I don't really like exfoliating my skin as rough as we used to. Remember that little St. Eve's or St. Ives, whatever that product is, and it's a scrub that's really invasive on your skin. Like, you don't know it, but you are really tearing up your face, and literally it's gonna make little cuts and burns or little marks on your face, and it's like, girl, what are you doing? So I realized to do study. I'm basically to study on what exfoliating bar, what exfoliating cream is really soft and gentle on your face, because you don't want to keep tearing up your face or your skin while you're trying to take care of your skin. You want to basically get a good nail polish remover, because I had my nail polish on for like almost like 2 months now. Oh my god, I'm so ashamed to say that. But you want to get basically a nail polish remover that is 100% acetone. It takes that nail polish off real quick. Like, you might have to scrub here and there, but it will take it off. Better than those basically than no other nail polishes. I like to stick to 100% acetone, and it works really well. So while my feet is soaking, I like to basically listen to some cool little podcasts. Like right now I'm listening to Hilt by Amber Keeney. I hope I'm saying her name right. Amber Keeney. I basically listen to her a lot. She comes out with a new podcast almost like every week. I love her platform. Her platform is meant for like black women and like the black community in a way. It helps us to understand as black women that it's okay to have vulnerable moments, and it's okay to take care of yourself, because as long as we know black women were never meant, even black community period was always known to be strong and never show your weaknesses, never show that you're breaking nothing. And I feel like this is basically her platform of saying, like, black women, let's take care of ourselves. So I really love listening to her, and she make a lot of really good points when you're listening to her. Like, she's a very, very, very wise lady, and I love watching her. And I actually follow her on TikTok too, and she's so beautiful at the same time. Like, she's very beautiful. And she always gets you when she say, hey baby. Like, I'll be like, hey, I really want to say hi, but sometimes I'm telling you, I'm an introvert. So I really be afraid to do things. It's not that I'm afraid, but whatever.
When I feel like soaking is all done, basically to the point where I'm overly pruning my feet, I think it's time for me to go in and start clipping my nails and do the basic pedicure care, which is clipping your toes, pushing back cuticles, exfoliating your feet, which I did out already. And after that, I start adding lotion, and then I move on to the next. So this is basically just a basic pedicure caring.
So let's get into this another Lush product. So this is a trial, like a free testing, and this is what it looks like. This is the size that it is, and it's pink peppermint foot lotion. So if you go into Lush and you be like, I want to do this, or I need some face lotion, I need some hand lotion, they got you covered. They literally have everything in there. But this was for free, and it's just a testing of it, and it's pink, of course, and it smells like peppermint, and it basically go on your foot. It is, oh my god, it feels so soft. It makes your foot freaking soft. So if you use the exfoliating bar, your foot bar, and you use this foot lotion, they have a foot mask too. It's called Volcano, but they didn't have anymore. But for me to test. But yeah, if you get all this and you put it on your foot, girl, you literally, like, your foot is gonna be feeling so soft. So like my feet right now is feeling like really, really soft. Let's not forget nail polish. So I like to use white nail polish or like a bright nail polish on my toe. It depends how I feel. Literally my goal in the, like right now, my flow is white nail polish, and I know the whole like cliche of white nail polish, that means she's a freak. Like, no. I like white nail polish ever since my second daughter came about, and it just give you that real bright, like, it literally like putting white curtains on your window. It literally just brightens up and it makes everything beautiful. So it makes my feet just feel even more cute and chubby. I know I don't have like long cute toes, but they're my toes and they're cute when I paint them and get them done and treat myself nicely. Like, I'm not trying to cover up anything. I just feel like even if I got the manicure, they'll still be cute, like with clear nail polish. But I like white nail polish, and it makes me feel happy, and it just gives that fine set off that, hey girl, you got cute toes, and it's okay. The one thing I do love about my DIY pedicure at home is that I'm at home too. I'm not spending a lot of money. Yeah, I have to do some things on my own, but after that, it's really like a relaxation. Like, it really don't bother me when I do stuff at home. I always was creative, and I always love doing things that normally people wouldn't do. But if you want to have your own day spa or your DIY pedicure at home, you can. But most of the products that I have is definitely you can get. I'll have all the links on underneath my underneath the video, and underneath the video, basically in my bio area, or whatever they call it, information area. Well, just don't forget to put a towel, because you're gonna wet up. If you have carpet or anything, you're gonna wet up everything, and you need a towel to dry your feet. I feel like it's a great combination to talk about my insecurities and also show you guys my DIY pedicure video, because I love to do DIY, like self-cares and everything. And I just thought it would be cool to show you, and also to probably get somebody inspired to do this on their own, because I'm telling you, saving a lot of money. I understand, like me personally, yeah, I will probably want to go and get my nails done on my own and don't have to get nothing, and don't have to deal with, doing it on my own. But it's still nice to have it from the house, because you're taking care of yourself and you're giving yourself that little like love that everybody needs. And that's really it. So I thank you guys, like I said, for watching, and I see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I see you next time. Bye.